eleko idere ṣe bolo jere o eleko idere ṣe bolo jere òun ló sọ dúdú ó sì ń ló sọ pupa.
Hello everyone, this is your favorite historian Halabia Tinuke. Okay, popularly called Omidomita Day. Welcome to idere. Eleko dere shebo lo jere. Eleko dere shebo lo jere. Orosho dudu osi rosho pupa. Orosho dudu osi rosho pupa. O vai kubaja osi dule kinka. Eleko dere shebo lo jere. Welcome to the reopening of Idere Hills, 1st of September 2021.
Idere is very rich in tourism generally, culture, and historical ranging. From their food, dialects, religion, music, man-made wonders, festivals, hills, valleys, mountains, caves, lakes of different sizes, wonderful rocks, formation, ecosystem, and so on. The major tourist sites that has a good number of historical collections is Idere Hills. Overview of Idere Hills is in Ibarapa, zone of Oyo State. It is situated in Idere town, Ibarapa Central Local Government, Oyo State. There are some sites at Idere Hills and their historical significance, which I'll be telling you. Aroye, meaning we can see and understand. It is a three-layered rocks formation. It is a post office for the secret police or spy. Areas in front of Yara can easily be seen and finders communicated to the guides and palace for coordination. Yara. Yara means room in Yoruba language. It is the real main gate to the town on the hills proper. The wall of either side is rocky and approximately about 40 feet in length, 18 feet in height and above 6 feet apart. It serves the true purpose of security gates with inlet and outlet rooms or office for the guides, and top of the right hold a jar for the spinners. Roye. It is a natural water pool on Idere Hills. It is a big indentation with water storage capacity of approximately over 200 liters, which is sufficient to support the community, then even the dry season. Its water is majorly for household and agricultural purpose. Olorogumeji, two small lakes believed to have been formed by two female rivers, wives to a particular husband and her both mystical. Odilu, defense war, specially formulated and construction. It has holes for sighting and shooting. It has withstood winds and sun rain for over 200 years. It is one of the major relics on Idere Hills. Kosamono, and areas on Idere Hills. About the tallest place from here, the old township of Idere can be viewed. Kosamono means he does not lose a child. If somebody is lost, instead of running aimlessly around, they go to Kosamono section of the east, locate the child and send to fetch the child. It has a tunnel that also serves as an hideout narrower, and longer than Yara. Ìsọ̀ Ẹlẹ́kọ̀ Ìdèrè, the spot at which the famed Ẹlẹ́kọ̀ Ìdèrè of Irosumeji in Odo Ifa saw the palm on Idere Hills. Idere is undoubted an ancient town in Yoruba land, southwest Nigeria. Isoku, Iruku, a place where you have to place the cups down before you carry it again, while and after coming down from the hills. A section of Idere Hills is designated for burials of members of the royal family. While taking the cups up there, they get to this place where they have to put the cups down, climb a step, and carry the cups again. Otherwise, the cups can't be carried comfortably. It becomes a place of rite or ritual during prince and princess burial. Akpe trees, one of the oldest trees within the township. It was made when the town was founded, and it has at the new community entrance, now Saro compound. It is estimated to be over 300 years. This is the first tourist attraction. Idokpa. Idokpa in Yoruba means rare walking stick and staff are submitted by chiefs, baales, and less oba that came visiting, as Olidere is a strong royalty. Ààfin, palace. There are two places that serve as palace. The structure are cave. They serve as both abode and office of the king of Oba. Iroeja or Onieja. This is a hole of the rock to the right side of Yara that looks like a fish indentation into the rock. Its water is meant for commercial laundry and other forms, especially during the dry season. Oja market. It is an open space where people bring their wares, farm products, food products, etc. Ẹlẹ́kọ̀ Ìdèrè was once of the trader in these markets. Atapa water spring. This is actually a spring that Atapa is on the Idere Hills. It never dries, though not much always there. It serves as drinkable water for the whole community. It's also said to be medicinal and curative for many alignments. Thousands of tourists visited Idere Hills to explore their tourist sites. We have other sites of interest with historical incidents, archaeological materials, caves and rock clefts like Oti Inns, Oba, Idere, Aye Rock. It is believed that Aye, the mother of first Onidere, and the 12th Alaafin, Ajiboyede, turned into small rock formation at Ijegun, Idere, Adana to Idere Hills, Idere, among others. Welcome to Idere Hills. For more information, for more history, for you to check about the tourist attraction, you can contact me at Ibidioni Adventures, or peradventure, you can search for Idere Hills on their social media, whereby they will attend to you the way you want. Thank you once again and welcome to Idere Hills. Still your favorite Omido Mitade, historian Alabi Atinuke. Love you all. Welcome to Idere Hills.